join us for an enlightening lecture on maintaining a healthy brain through natural means. Discover how certain naturally occurring substances can support proper alpha-synuclein metabolism, a key factor in Parkinson's disease and neurological function. During this session, you will explore the crucial role of alpha-synuclein in brain health, particularly in Parkinson's disease, natural compounds that have the potential to regulate its metabolism effectively, dietary choices and lifestyle factors that can significantly enhance the quality of life for individuals with Parkinson's disease. Don't miss out on this opportunity to equip yourself with cutting-edge knowledge to support brain health and Parkinson's disease. Secure your spot today.